Good morning. Today we're going to check out all the spots our friends in Hagna have been telling us to go to.
Yes.
Where are we right now?
KinaHugan Falls.
KinaHugan Falls. Can you hear it? I'm sweating bullets. This is no fun.
Oh, what a feeling, diba? So happy to be here in Hagna. KinaHugan Falls is calling my name, living out this island dream. The water's so clear at Lonoy cold spring, makes my happy heart just wanna sing. Hagna Bohol, you're my one and only. Hagna Bohol, you're my one and only.
Oh my gosh, it sounds amazing. Let's go see what we find. KinaHugan Falls. We're in Hagna Bohol. Come on, let's go. So here we are at the falls. It's gorgeous.
It's gorgeous. This water is stunning. I can't believe how clear and blue it is.
It feels cool up here. The water's delicious. It's a great temperature. There's area for picnics. There's just, I can see how on an afternoon we come here with some food and just hang out and swim and relax. What an amazing spot.
It's beautiful. Thank you, Hagna. Thank you, locals, for telling us to come here.
Yes. What a great secret spot.
Yeah.
That there aren't any tourists.
Yeah.
And
It's
this
beautiful.
is awesome. So we've arrived to the cold springs, Lonoy Cold Springs. Let's go see what's happening. Yeah, it's kind of cold, but I think that's the point.
It is the point.
But it is 10:22 a.m. and I can see how this would be delicious at like 3 or 4 p.m. Maybe even after work at 5 or 6. This is amazing. It's like the neighborhood pool.
Yes. Imagine on the weekends how busy this gets.
And it's just flowing from
The mountains,
upstream to downstream. It's a natural pool. What a great idea.
Amazing.
Hagna, we love you.
Yes.
What an amazing place. Hagna is a community that is authentic and kind, welcoming, warm.
We did really good by picking Hagna, like off a map.
Yeah, we had no idea. I mean, we were excited from the get-go because it was what we were looking for. But then we got here and it has just been beyond expectations.
Everybody is so wonderful to us, and all the comments we've gotten, or just the people that we meet, are just like, go here and go here and go look at this hidden gem. It's been fantastic. I mean, hands down, everybody is just...
Yeah, it's awesome. I love that all the signage here has been in Bisaya. You know, it's no English. It's for the locals.
I think that one right
that's why
there
we're
says,
here.
Heather, pet all the dogs.
No, it doesn't.
I think it says that right there.
Okay.
Heather, pet all the dogs.
If you didn't know, I'm John.
I'm Heather.
And that sign definitely says Heather, pet all the dogs.
It does.
And this is the beauty of the cold spring. It brings families together.
Oh, she's
Wow, look
guapa.
at that.
She's guapa.
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 Guapa. And guapo. You guapo. She's guapa. Thank you.
Salamat. So far, the waterfalls in the cold spring have been awesome. Where are we going next?
Jagna Rock Resort.
Whoa, let's check it out. now we're at the world famous Jagna Rock Resort. Let's see what it's about.
Welcome to Hagna, Bohol.
Ah, thank you. Salamat. Drone is stuck. It's not coming into the coast. It's like it's just floating out in the air over there. I'm sweating bullets. This is no fun. It goes up and down. It can turn. It won't go forward.
It just won't come towards
I've tried
us.
flying it backwards in. I've tried putting it back on home mode so it returns, but it just shoots up into the air. Here, this might be the last shot you ever get of the drone. It's right there.
It's a beautiful shot. It does not want to land. It doesn't want to come close. It doesn't want to do anything.
It's just not going. It refuses to come forward. If we could just get it to the rock. This is freaking out. We're at 30%. We started out at 100.
Holy wow.
Oh, nothing's working. I can't fly it in sideways. Oh, come on, come on, come on.
Come on, come on, come on.
Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Oh. Okay, we're at 21%.
Holy crap.
My throat is in my stomach. I do not want to litter the Philippines' pristine ocean. Uh-oh. That was bad.
Say goodbye to our drone.
This is it.
This is literally it. You would hope that it would have the home like attached to it.
When it was home, it shot straight up into the air. So I canceled home.
Try one more time.
Oh. Okay. See, it's just shooting up. Oh. No. Oh, man.
Just a little bit. It just needs a little bit more.
But it won't come forward.
No, I meant just to land it on that rock.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
I hear. Can't see.
I don't even see the battery anymore. Oh, there it goes. Oh.
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 Oh my God! If we were in the water,
You want me to go jump in?
no. Oh,
There you go. There you go. You're on the rock.
no, it won't come in. I think I'm gonna cry and vomit.
Guys, so close. It's just so close, which sucks.
Oh man. Oh! Oh! Oh, it hit the rock. Dear Hagna, what happened was I was trying to get an awesome shot of this beautiful rock resort, and I launched the drone that way, and it wouldn't come back to land no matter what, no matter how hard we tried. And Heather was Googling all these things that didn't work, and so I feel really bad about making trash because it did hit the rock. It just wouldn't come back. So I'm gonna go try to fish out the trash so it doesn't ruin the beauty of the island. So that's what just happened, and I think all I have to show for it is this screenshot right here, which is the last thing any of us saw. So I don't know how we can show how beautiful this place is other than getting in the water and swimming out way over there and maybe swim back. I don't know, we'll see.
You can see.
scared of losing any camera now that this one is in a waterproof casing attached to my wrist. Not losing another camera. So now we're walking up to the bow of the Hagna rock ship to get a video of this beautiful view. Wow.
It's stunning. It's so beautiful. The water is so beautiful blue. So many different colors.